My name is Lashin, and in today's unboxing we are going to do the QKZ CK5 in-ear transparent earphones. So I have two different colors, one in green transparent and the other one in red transparent. We will start with the red transparent earphones. So as you can see, the package comes in very simple and highly protective case. So the package first covered with a cardboard sleeve matte finish design, and on the side you can see the company logo, and on the back of the package you can actually see the company logo and other few certifications and address and details. And it is made under Shenzhen Longzhi Technology Co Limited, and I'm unable to read the other details since they are written in Chinese. And as I can see, the box does not carry any of the details about the earphones or the specification or what the earphones comes with and all the other details. So once we remove the first package, we can see this cool black hard plastic case which you can use it for carrying the earphones, and it comes with the QKZ branding. So the box looks finished and perfectly fine. So once we open the box, we can see the product itself, and it comes with extra accessories. Since this is a sports earphones and it is highly designed for gym and heavy workouts, the earphones may tend to fall off your ears, but they have added this ear hooks to prevent it from happening. Since the product is made out of soft silicone or soft rubber, which I feel hard to remove it from the plastic container itself, but I promise that this is not going to be very irritative since it's a soft rubber. Let's place it here and let's get into the earphones. So the earphone is packed with a white transparent silicone packet to protect it from dusting or any other water damage. So once we get the earphone is accompanied by few extra earbuds and the collar clip. So the earphones comes with two extra different sizes earbuds, just in case if the one that comes pre-existing is too loose or too big to fit your ears, you can actually go for the other one. As you can see, the earbuds are not as same as the gray ones. These are extra ones, spare ones are in white color. So this collar clip is going to help you clip the earphone cable right onto your chest or onto your clothing apparel, since it will prevent it from moving or getting in between your hands while having heavy action. And it has a nice rotating base, so that any way you put it, you can rotate and clip it on any side. So let's look at the earphones. As I said, the earphones comes under transparent plastic, and you can see the components, and it has a braided cables which I will get into it a second. So as you can see, the earphones are transparent and you can see through the components inside the wiring and the speaker itself, the tiny earphone speaker itself. They have used a clear plastic red design, and it is very bright under sunlight. As you can see, the cable is already pre-designed to go above your ears and then flow back through your ear. So this is where the ear hooks are placed to give you the extra confidence of not losing them. And as you can see, the cable is in white color, also dipped and coated with soft silicone rubber, so that the white earphones are going to stay as white as long, since it won't get any dirt or dust in between. As you can see, the controller contains a volume controller and a button to attend calls, pause or play music. And it is always better to have the volume control in your earphones, since you don't have to take your phone all the time. The 3.5mm audio jack input connector also comes with a protective shielding to prevent the gold plating to wear off. All this package of unboxing has given me a great pleasure of luxury unboxing. Though it looks like hi-fi, it doesn't seems to be that expensive. Now let's get on with the green color unboxing. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same items whatever we saw inside the box. for the first one, but let's see how the green one looks. So the green one also comes with a carry case, ear hooks, extra earbuds and the collar clip. So these hooks are very comfortable. I tested myself, where the ear hooks do a great job. And to say the earphone quality test, the bass is high compared to any other common earphones, since the driver inside the earphones are very big, and the microphone is of high quality, since I am doing the recording of this video using the very earphone microphones. So you know how the quality sounds. So as you can see, the earphone, this comes in a green transparent one, where you can see the components same as the red one. They both look very good under sunlight or a bright environment, and every other same components like the protective covering for the 3.5mm jack and the button controls for volume and play pause button, and it comes with built-in microphone. So let me quickly show you how it looks when you put the ear hooks on the earphones. I completely didn't notice that I was out of focus from the camera, but I'll be back once it is done. So as you can see, it looks even much better once you put the ear hooks onto the earphones. It gives it more professional looking sporty earphones compared to the one without the ear hooks. The ear hooks are not painful in your ear, they are very soft and comforting. You tend to forget them once you start using after 5 minutes, so you get used to it very quickly. So that's it for the unboxing of the QKZ CK earphones. Today's video is sponsored by Ohio Global Store, and I would like to show their store quick glance at aliexpress.com. So this is their store and they are mostly specialized on camera and audio equipments, and currently they are having a great discount sale since it is AliExpress 10th anniversary sale. As you can see, they have many adapters, cable, earphones, mini connectors, you name it, they have it. So if anybody wishes to come see the product page and know more details, I might have missed something out. If you wish so, I have added the store link and the store website right in the video description down below. Please feel free to check it out, and I recommend you buying from this seller since the seller is very friendly and he was very happy to help me out with the sample product. Plus he was ready to answer any questions that is related to the product, and he is very willing to help you out. As you can see, the product store has 5-star rating and the customers all are really happy, and I'm very thankful to Ohio Global Store as they were very willingly happy to help me out with the product. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.